So the OnePlus 12 got a massive update recently, and by massive I mean a whopping 6.4 GB one. This update of course has a lot of improvements across different functions of the phone, but the most interesting update is the fact that you get a new master mode now. And in the description of the master mode, there's just one line that reads, adds master mode that features Hasselblad color tuning to enhance your photos with more natural and vibrant colors. Now that line is not clearly indicative of what exactly the master mode will do, and that's what I'm going to be testing out in this video. And in general, if you've been following our work, we've been doing a lot of camera reviews and camera comparisons of phones, and this is the first time that we're going to be doing something that includes pro controls, like pro level controls. So what are we waiting for? Let's find out what's new in the OnePlus 12 master mode. And if you're here for the first time, I'm Ershad, you're watching Trakin English, your destination for detailed, incisive gadget reviews. The first thing that you'll notice is that when you open the camera app, the Pro mode has been replaced by the Master mode now. What is confusing, however, is the fact that the Master mode has two toggles. By default, it is set to auto, but you'll see there's another toggle for Pro mode as well. Now, how do these two different toggles work? Let me explain that to you. So when you shoot with the Master mode in the auto setting, you will get a few preset controls. You can edit the saturation, the contrast, the sharpness, and the vignetting as well. Now, if you're a pro photographer who has used a DSLR, this is of course very limiting, but if you're an amateur photographer who likes editing photos in post, then you get those creative edit options in pre itself, which means that you can make all these tiny adjustments while you're shooting itself to capture the kind of mood that you want to create with the photograph. But if you want proper DSLR level controls, then you have to choose the pro settings within the master mode. And in this pro setting, it gives you all the manual controls that a professional photographer would require. So you get access to the ISO, the shutter speed, the white balance correction, which also includes tone corrections, and you also get access to manual focus with focus peaking. And when you start taking pictures with the Master Auto and the Master Pro modes, you can figure out what are the individual use cases for these functions. In fact, I gave the OnePlus 12 with the master mode to my colleague Aditya Kashid, who is the lead of videography, and the kind of results and the kind of photos he made with it look absolutely stunning, to be entirely honest. And to be even more honest, I definitely wouldn't have been able to capture what he could. Now, in these comparison samples, you will notice that with the Master Auto mode, there is definitely a white balance correction issue. So there is a magenta cast that you can see because the white balance correction happens automatically. But with the Pro mode, we could actually fix the white balance and set the right tone as well to get the absolutely correct skin tone, because we had to match it with the studio lights that we use in our studio, which is generally set to about 4500 to 4700 Kelvin. In the second sample, the Master Pro mode's focus peaking comes in handy. I absolutely love the Pro mode, as you can tell. Aditya managed to achieve a tack sharp focus on the subject with the Master Pro mode, and you can see more definition in the subject's face in comparison to the Master Auto mode, which could have done with slightly better focus. And moreover, the kind of mood that you could achieve in this picture, oh ho 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 ho, pure beauty, man. The interplay of shadow and lights in this picture can be achieved with the Master Pro mode if you play around with it. So with the inclusion of this Master mode, the Hasselblad partnership is growing into something of its own, which is a nice thing. We really got some excellent shots with the OnePlus 12's Master Pro mode, which in its default tuning when you use the photo mode is not really my favorite flagship camera out there. But with the manual controls in your hand, you can make use of the fantastic hardware that is there within the phone itself. So if you're trying to improve your photography game, then taking the control in your hand and using the Pro tool like Master Pro would definitely come in handy, I feel. Now, if you do own the OnePlus 12, check out the Master mode and let us know what kind of pictures that you've created with it. In fact, why don't you tag us on Instagram, Trakin English Instagram account, and we'll try to showcase some pictures on our account itself. In the meantime, I'm going to ask OnePlus to please add Master mode to the OnePlus Open really soon, because this is right now my primary phone. Alright, that's it from me for this video. Hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep tracking and stay safe.